Question 1. What defines the identity of an element? Answer options are: Option A, number of neutrons. Option B, number of electrons. Option C, atomic mass. Option D, number of protons. Correct option is option D, number of protons, because proton count defines the element itself. Question 2. What core truth helps explain periodic trends? Answer options are: Option A, neutrons control reactivity. Option B, proton number controls nuclear attraction. Option C, atomic mass determines bonding. Option D, energy levels never change. Correct option is option B, proton number controls nuclear attraction, because nuclear pull shapes chemical behavior. Question 3. What happens when proton number increases? Answer options are: Option A, nuclear charge decreases. Option B, nuclear charge stays the same. Option C, nuclear charge increases. Option D, electrons disappear. Correct option is option C, nuclear charge increases, because more protons increase attraction to electrons. Question 4. What happens to electrons across a row? Answer options are: Option A, they enter new energy levels. Option B, they are removed. Option C, they are added to the same energy level. Option D, they stop moving. Correct option is option C, they are added to the same energy level, because shielding does not increase much across a row. Question 5. Why is understanding proton number useful? Answer options are: Option A, it removes the need for labs. Option B, it helps predict chemical reactivity. Option C, it only applies to physics. Option D, it replaces math skills. Correct option is option B, it helps predict chemical reactivity, because proton number determines nuclear attraction. Question 6. What medical concept connects to this idea? Answer options are: Option A, cloud formation. Option B, plate tectonics. Option C, bonding and acid-base chemistry. Option D, planet rotation. Correct option is option C, bonding and acid-base chemistry, because electron attraction affects acids and bases. Question 7. Why does sodium react strongly with water? Answer options are: Option A, it has many valence electrons. Option B, it has no electrons. Option C, it has one loosely held valence electron. Option D, it is very heavy. Correct option is option C, it has one loosely held valence electron, because low ionization energy allows easy loss. Question 8. Why does fluorine form strong bonds? Answer options are: Option A, it avoids electrons. Option B, it is large. Option C, it has weak nuclear charge. Option D, it strongly attracts electrons. Correct option is option D, it strongly attracts electrons, because high electronegativity increases bonding strength. Question 9. Why do doctors monitor sodium and potassium levels? Answer options are: Option A, they change blood color. Option B, their ion behavior follows periodic trends. Option C, they create DNA. Option D, they stop gravity. Correct option is option B, their ion behavior follows periodic trends, because proton-driven trends predict ion movement. Question 10. What memory phrase was given in the episode? Answer options are: Option A, electrons create identity. Option B, protons create personality. Option C, mass creates energy. Option D, shielding creates color. Correct option is option B, protons create personality, because proton number defines elemental behavior. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.